Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to continue my project management tool review series in which I'm going to make a review about 5 different project management tool. So last time we reviewed about the Asana. So this time I will make a review about Trello. So just a short background about this Trello. Many IT project managers and virtual assistants, freelancers, and many individuals actually use this tool. But for those who don't know about it, so this is a good thing about you while you are watching this video, because I am sure that you will learn something from this video, especially in um, deciding what tool for your project in the future. Alright, so um, just to give you an outline or overview, I did not create any account of it yet. So this time, I will start creating a new project, and of course, I need to create an account on Trello, and I will try to load everything and automate everything, and then later I will give an insight if this project management tool is a good tool compared to other project management tool, which I made a review last time. So I will take you now to my desktop and let us create our account. So I will open now the browser. So of course, first we need to go to Trello, trello.com. Alright, so here we have here an option to sign up because it's free. But you know what? This is actually not free. Alright, so after we click that button, we are asked to enter our email. So I will use my Yahoo email. Okay, so then click continue. Alright, so you'll be asked to enter your full name, okay, and then create a password. So, okay, don't save. Alright, so we have this one, this part. Okay, so let us just wait. I know that we need to verify our email. Oh, good thing. Oh, sorry. So, on this part, you'll be asked to create your team. So, let's say, for example, for me, I'm going to make it, this is PM Ops, Project Management Operations. And then for my team, this is for educational purposes. And then hit continue. Okay. So, alright. So like I said, you need to verify the account. So you need to check your inbox. Alright, so but before that one, let us have this first. Alright, so since we are in the business class for 30 days, um, we can click start 30-day free trial, but you'll be asked to um, enter your credentials, your bank account or for your cards in order for you to use these features. But okay, let us start without business class. Okay, and then let's go. Alright, so here, well, I think this is really annoying, so I think we really need to verify the email first. Okay, I will open my Yahoo Mail. So we'll log in my account. I don't know my password. I hope this is correct. Okay, good. Alright, so here, verify your email. That's it. So we'll be logged out from this page, and then we have this new one. Alright, So after creating our account, I mean verifying our account, so the projects or the themes can be seen here. And then about creating a project, it's actually creating a new board. So where to find that one? Anyway, we have options, but let us um, start from scratch. So we'll create a board intended for our theme project. So here we have here the option create new board. So after clicking this one, you'll be asked to add a board title. So okay, test project. Okay, test project workspace. All right. So this is visible to everyone. And by the way, as you notice, we have here the option to choose our theme. Okay, I prefer to choose a solid color for the theme. Okay, we'll use the blue. And then hit create board. Alright, so we are now on the workspace, which is the board view. So, by the way, as you remember on Asana, we have different options in making a view of our project. So we have the list, we have the board view, the template, the progress, the calendar, and so on and so forth. So here in Trello, we only have one option, which is the board view. And I think, I don't know, perhaps board view is something good because everything can be simply dragged to the next section, and then all you need to do is just to check um, the section name so that you'll be uh, informed or get an update about what's happening or what is currently doing with your project. So, all right, here, um, the next thing that we need to do is to add our task. Okay, so, but before adding our task, let us know first how to do that one. Okay, so we have here an option to, we are asked actually to enter our title for a card. So perhaps this card is the specific task that we need to perform. Alright, so last time we used um, different uh, major tasks. Basically, I think this is actually similar to the idea of major tasks. So a card is actually the different pieces of major tasks. So for example, um, let us start again with our okay conceptualization of the study. The study. Okay, as we hit enter, yes, we are now adding a new one. So let's say, for example, writing a proposal or writing the proposal. Okay, and then the third one is about consultation with the advisor. Okay, so last time we focused on the conceptualization of the study. So this time let's try to input what will be the task under the writing the proposal. Okay, so all you need to do is to click this one. I mean, this particular task or card, and then oh, nothing's happening. Okay, well, let's just try to click this one. Okay, so I see. Alright, something really happened and I don't know how to fix that one. So I switched to another browser, which is the Chrome, but still the thing is the same. So, alright, after adding our card here, basically these are the major tasks that we need to achieve. Alright, how about listing down this specific list of tasks under the following major tasks. So that is possible. All you need to do is actually you select the card. For example, writing the proposal. You just double click this one, or single click will work, or will do. Now, here you'll be asked to provide a description about this particular card, and on the right side here, what are the things that you can add to the card is member, labels, checklist, due date, attachment, and cover. So I think, I don't know, uh, these other things become useful to my in handling my project. So I think the things I'm going to consider here is okay, the checklist, due date, and attachment. Anyway, I'll be working alone for this project, so I'm not going to add any member. And then for labels, I don't know how this works. Okay, so we have here different colors. If we select this one, okay, see. Now, when you select when you add a label, so this will enable you to add a color to the card, in which I think this is also a good thing, or a good indicator that okay, you are now currently working on the green label. So that means that is not so in priority, or perhaps okay, you'll just work that one later on. Or if the label is in red, meaning to say um, you really need to work that on that particular date. So something like that. I don't know. It depends on you and how you um, understand how the label works on your project. So considering I'm going to select the green. Okay. So since I'm going to add another subtask for this particular card or major task, so I think you can actually achieve that one here on the checklist. Alright, so by simply adding a checklist. So you'll be asked to type the title. So considering I will use the checklist or leave it as is. So adding here an item. So when you work for your proposal, of course, you need to work on the introduction. Okay. Here, after you type down the new item, you can actually set the assigned person and the due date. Okay. And you click add. Okay, so that's how it works. So let's say, for example, after having the introduction, considering we have the statement of the problem. Okay, and then hypothesis. What else? Related literature and studies. Sorry. So after that one is the conceptual framework. You need to work on the conceptual framework. And the scope and the limitation. Okay. And then significance of, sorry, of the study. And then definition of terms. And after that, the research methodology. And then drafting the okay drafting of the survey, and I sorry survey instrument, and the next one is the validation and reliability test of survey instrument, and lastly is the okay draft proposal. So that's it. So let's say, for example, if you wanted to set a number of days for each of the following, so all you need to do is to, of course, set the yeah. Okay, you need to set the due date for each, and it's really good to have a start and end so that you will know when to start working on it and when to end. But the problem here, we don't know how to do that one because we can actually set a deadline because we are using this trial version. And just for this video, I don't want to spend any money for this. Okay. Alright, so after this one, so we are done. And by the way, if you want to add something, like let's say for example for the RRL, like if you want to add an item like readings, important readings, now you can also add the file by clicking the attachment. So let's for example, let's add a file from here. So we have okay. So I'm going to add two items here. This is actually about readings, and this can be easily accessed if you open this card. Okay, it's now 54% in progress. Alright, so aside from the computer, you can actually upload other files from the internet. Okay, so as simple as this. And then once we close this one, that's it. Now the good thing about this, on this card, you will notice that this particular card has two attachments, and okay, there are 12 things that you need to do. And so far, um, any of the items on the checklist was not actually performed. So let's say for example, you are currently working on writing the proposal. All you need to do is to drag this one to the doing section, and then let's say for example, you're done with the introduction. So all you need to do is to check this one, and then you will notice a progress in terms of percentage. So out of 12 tasks, so you're done with a particular task, which is the introduction. So we are done one task out of 12 tasks. So I think this is also a good thing. Now considering you're done in all of the items here under the checklist, and then okay, that's a good thing because okay, you will see that okay, you're done with the 12 items in writing the proposal. And also, since you're done in all 12 items, all you need to do next is to transfer this one to the done section. And then you will be working with another card, which is the consultation with the advisor. It depends on you. So I think this is also a good thing to manage your project. Okay, how about you want to make changes with the card you create. So actually you can edit that one by clicking the icon for updates or changes, and then you can type or change the text, and then you click save. Okay, so this is about Trello, and I know other things or other features was not included in my review, but as for me, I'm only focusing on how this thing works, especially to my future project, or even to you, to your future project. So I suggest you better explore so that you will know what are the other good features about this one. But as for me, I am into with the essential things which very important to my project or in managing my project. Okay, so this is also a good thing, just like in the Asana. But okay, I need to pay for it so that I can fully avail the entire feature of this Trello. So I hope you've learned from this video, especially in your projects or in your future projects if you are designing your projects right now. So you can opt to have this one, and again, it requires you to pay for the platform. In order for you to use the platform or the entire feature of it, you need to pay for it, and it's up to you. Alright, so I'm inviting everyone to watch my future videos to my next review about project management tool. Alright, so I hope you've learned today, and see you on my next video.